Check it out, y'all. So check my status, aka Senior Badass, the heavyweight in town, middle, con ganas. I'm Mr. Get Whatever, whenever, however. If you be up in my way, chingadazos forever. I run up on the squinkle, cough up yo cateta. He's shaking in his chonies, reaching for his fetty. Out the corner of my eye, distracted by some nalgas. This little pinchy liver kicks me right in the pelotas. Can't get something for nothing. Whatever. So me levanto off the suelo, straight chillando with my painter. But I couldn't stop thinking about that fine dime Nina. You know the one, he got these chi-chis. Hit it, quit it, and then go Mimi's. I rolled up on her, que pasa mamacita. I threw my game hard, I'm just spitting with no prisas. She sized me up, she looked me up and down. She said, you got to have dinero to take me out on town. I said, chillax baby girl, give me 10 for my mota. She smiled in my face and kicked me right in the pelotas.